So notification, where are the places we see notification so far? We seen somewhere notification. We didn't touch it. Where?
Catalogs also.
In the workflows. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in the workflows notification activity is there. There I said we have notification, but we don't create notifications using general notifications, but we go for event-based notifications. Is that correct statement? I did that, right?
Yes.
That's how we skipped it. Okay, I didn't explain it, but we skipped it. Okay. So notification generally, okay, see, the notification concept is very simple, but it looks a little odd, very complex. Why? Because it is not one single entity, it is a combination of multiple entities. Okay. So the simple way of learning notification is, okay, I will just give a overview how you can easily learn it. Okay, and then I will also show one sample that makes your job easy. Okay, ServiceNow notification basic. Hmm. Okay, this one only, or the second one also fine. Okay, but first one I seen it, second one I don't know. That too in Hindi. Okay, I don't know Hindi, right? So you just refer this video. What is the content in this video is, or general notification content is. Okay, it involves three things. Okay, first event or event, first only event. Okay, then notification, and then triggering point. Okay, can be BR, can be workflow, can be schedule job. Okay, can be anything. First point is clear, ma? Now we will go one by one. What is this? What is this and all? But this point is clear.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's take one simple example. Okay. In one of the table, like whatever our table is, what is our table? Farmer, huh? No, right? What is our table, ma?
Recruitment management.
Recruitment management. Okay. Once the recruitment management is okay, once the recruitment record is created, okay, right? We need to send a mail to customer. Customer means the person who is selected as for requested for, right? This person requested. Okay, saying for you one ticket is created. Okay, with this details, and all. Okay. Now, if this is our requirement, now what we do is, okay, one way is you just directly go and say notifications. Okay, and then say here you have notifications. General, this is on two ways you can do notification. One way is general directly do it. Okay, or do using event. So general notification, I'm just trying to explain it. Okay, so see new. Okay, and then select the respective table. Table selection is very important. Okay, new record created. Okay, new record, and then table name is u underscore recruitment. Right, and here you are selecting this table, and you need to select the time also, now when you need to send it. Correct, the time you send when the record is inserted or updated. So this one you selected, you don't select event. If you select event, that is second way of second way of creating the notification things. Okay, so in this example we will be seeing the second event based. Okay, but here the first way, general way of creating notification is just create it and don't touch anything with event. So here I don't select second one, but I just select the first one, and then whenever the ticket is created, then I will send the notification. This is what the meaning of it. Correct?
Yeah. Okay. Yes,
Everyone,
sir.
correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
So when to send? If you have still one more, maybe one more condition also, you can keep it. Sometimes, okay, every time the group is changed, every time the assigned to is changed. So let's say you need to send a mail every time a group is changed. Then group changes to you keep it here. Correct? That is there in our instant table, right? Whenever the group is changed, the group members will get an email. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So here you can keep additional condition. Yeah. And then go to the when to send first tab. You define when to send, triggering point. Okay. Who will receive, to whom to send. Okay. This is very important point. This will decide you whether you need to go for general notification or event based. One of the point. This is one of the point that makes you to go for event based. Okay. Here you select the group or users. Okay. So which one? So here you underscore requester. Na? So in this example, you need to send you underscore requester. Okay. Or if group changes, that group member needs to get the data, right? Maybe assignment group. You are getting it, ma? So if your requirement is to send the send this to group member, so you select assignment group, correct? So group members needs to get it. So in this example, you need to send to whom? Requester. So you select requester and then save it. Whom to send? What it will contain? The email body. Okay. What is the subject? Okay. Number. Okay. There is some structure here. I think the structure I showed you. Okay. In notification. So just select the fields of this particular record. Okay. Then it prints there. So number. No, where is the number here? Okay. So number is created behalf for you. Okay. Behalf of you. And that's it. A ticket is created. You can give any message. If you just see some samples, na, okay, instant creation, instant updations, okay, those samples you can replicate it. You are getting it, ma? I'm just giving a outer skeleton. Now it is your turn to go and investigate. Okay, so see here. Let's go. Instant created. Something record is created is there, na? So, instant has been resolved. Your incident. So let's take created. No, very good. No meaning. Nothing is there for created. So let's say Uh, this one, this is what I'm saying, right? So if I want to print the same way, I will use, okay, recruitment, recruitment, okay, request number is created for you, has been opened on behalf of you. Correct? Can I say like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
And the body also you type here. Okay. Here it will support HTML. Okay. You have something else also you can keep it, but body also you can type it the same way how you are printing here. Okay, here some script will come later you can see, but just go with a basic. Okay, so the body will show like this, where the body content and all will show like short description. Okay, or maybe you can give the link also. Okay, so that and all you can make it. Okay, now this is the first way, general notification creation. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now here one important question is there, small point, I'll just clear it up. Email digest. Okay, if you click it now, email digest is something like, okay, what is email digest is, let's say in from system, ServiceNow system, today you are supposed to get 10 emails. Okay, so the ServiceNow will send you one email and keep all the content of 10 emails in one email. That's what email digest is, which we don't use it, but that is the meaning of email digest. Simple point. Sometimes you get it in interviews. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see the image also, maybe just to refer it. Okay, so you see all the emails will come in one email. Okay, that is, you just see it now. Okay, but our meaning is that only. Okay, now second way of creating email. Okay, this is the most useful email creation. Like this is the most useful way of creating it, right? So here, when to send, record is inserted, updated. That is first way. Second way is event is fired. Okay, event is fired. The event name. So what is event now? If you just go to events, okay, and just look for events, event registry will be there. Okay, system policies, events registry. Okay, in the event registry, you just create one event. Okay, when you see event, no, it's nothing. It's just a dummy. Nothing is there. Nothing important is there. Just like a place. It's like a triggering. Okay, let it be. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, recruitment. Recruitment spelling. Recruitment. Okay, create. Insert. Dot insert. Okay, I will say like this. And table is important. Just select the table. Okay. Now, what I given my in the event? Only these two things. Okay. Because of this, is there any significance is there? Just a dummy entry, no? What is there? Is there anything because of this one? Did you see anything like you are creating, you are doing something here? Just given one table, one event name. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, event is like this only. Nothing is there in event. But there is a lot of importance of event. We will see. Okay. Now, event creation, first activity, then go to, okay, notification. When you are creating notification, point that event here. I just saved it because to get it. Because if I just drag it now, you don't see. Okay. So recruitment. Okay. Recruitment, insert recruitment. This one. Correct? So now the notification is created. The event that you created is linked with the notification. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these two are linked. From now onwards, okay, wherever you use this event, okay, you like let's say if it is in workflow you have event table, okay. If you say create event now, you can select that event name. You remember that time I showed it,
Yes, sir.
okay. Or wherever from now, okay, you use gs dot print gs dot event queue of event name. Wherever you use this particular line, whatever the notification associated with this event will trigger, and whatever the definition of this notification, like whom to send, what it will contain, will be used. Okay, now, sir, why I need to use event? Why should not I use general notification? That is the only point you need to clear it up, correct? Apart from that, both are same, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone till this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, why I need to go for event is because if it is general notification without event, can I able to trigger from schedule job? Can I able to trigger from uh, workflows?
No, sir.
Can I able to trigger from business rule?
No.
If it is a general notification, not event based, okay, something like this, you can't trigger from external concepts. You can only trigger and you can only mention the condition here. Is that correct statement?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone, is that correct statement?
Yes.
Okay. If you attach a notification to the event, okay, then using this particular line of code, you can trigger from any scripting, any server side concept. Now apply it. This can be triggered from business rule. This can be triggered from workflows. This can be triggered from background script, schedule job, fix script, everywhere. Now you got it, ma? Why we prefer to create event-based notifications? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second point is here. First point is clear. This point is clear, ma, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second point is okay. Here, whom to send, na? Whom to send? You can only select okay static values here. When you go for see here when you go for general okay record is inserted, record is updated, na? You can only select static values. Can I able to dynamically make some values? No, I can't make it. Okay, dynamically it is not possible. But if you go for event based, you can write some script, okay, and you can pass dynamically. Here, param1, param2 will come. Okay, so here the syntax of this one is na gs event queue of event name. Okay, the record current. Okay, param1 space param2. These are parameters of recipients. Okay, so let's say you want to get someone and then pass to param1, you can pass it. You can write a script here down, okay, and then param1 equal to pass them. You see some samples, ma, okay. Once you keep this idea and then see some samples, you will understand it. This is the best video, okay. And also if you want to read it, maybe uh, gs dot event queue. Okay, you have some examples also.
Yes, sir. What is the param one,
Param1,
param?
param2 are recipients, ma.
Okay.
Recipients means see here. Let's take one example. Okay, I want to get maybe users service desk manager. Okay, so in a general notification manner, you don't get it. You can use dot work, but sometimes dot work will not work. But here, you just go to glide record where glide gr equal to new glide record of that, and finally, okay, you get that users manager or someone, and then you keep it in param one in the same script that you are using. You are getting it, huh? Yes, no,
No, sir.
no.
No, sir. Thank you.
Very good, very good. So here, current dot number. Here, what they are passing it, ma param to get username, right? Get you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So instead of get username, you can also pass some other values also. Okay. So that comes as recipient. You can if see this one will support script and you want to pass some other person, any other person. Using that script, you can get it, ma. I will show you some samples maybe. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So, okay, param 1, param 2 are recipients. Okay, and you can use scripting to get those values. Is that clear? Maybe for now, I will show some samples.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so next thing is, see, I am showing a business rule. Okay, in the business rule, just type instant events. Okay, so every every almost like every notification that will trigger from incident table will be initiated from this particular uh, business tool. Okay, so here see here first, if current operation is not equal to insert and comments changes, okay, that means incident is created and if anyone commented something, then it is triggering one event. This event is attached with one notification, correct, and it is sending to these two people. Who is those two people? Logged in user, okay, and then maybe some other user, param1, param2. This one example, you understood this example, ma? Whenever incident is commented, then it is system is sending an email. Is that clear to these two people?
Yes, sir. Why we use current
I
in
will explain.
between?
Current is like current record, ma. Current is standard.
Okay, okay, sir.
Current record means that incident record. Okay. Now see what is the meaning of this particular one. Tell me. If current operation equal to insert, that means whenever you are creating an incident record, then you are sending one email which is attached to this event, and you are sending to these two people. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now come down. Let's see if we have something for. Okay, give me. Okay, give me 1 second, ma. I want to show. This is how you trigger it events. Okay, from scripts, but business rules. No. Let me see if I can show you param one, param two examples, or I will just check and then send you, ma. Okay, maybe it's from external. Not now. If not now, but later also. So many will be there, but param one, param two. Okay, let's say like this. Where did you see? See here. Did you see something here? Event queue event name first. Here GS. Okay.
Yes.
GS get username. GS get username only they are using it. Hmm. Okay. Now, if you read this one, okay, param one, param two is what? Some other dynamic
What?
values, right?
Yes, sir.
So, friends approver, there is some script somewhere where that is getting the values. You need to see where it is written. Okay. And me also some script is there where it is getting the values, right? Return me something you need to understand. Okay. You need to scan this and then see where me is defined. Okay. But you understood, na? You are dynamically passing the recipients here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
You
Understood,
need
sir.
to,
Yes,
you
sir.
need to little go deeper more, like maybe some samples if we can refer now, then we will understand. But I will send you ma. I will send some samples. Okay. But you understood what is param one, param two now, right? More than the first time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Previously, I didn't understand. No, I understood, sir.
Right. Okay. So yeah, this is all about notifications part. Now, if keeping this particular base, okay, event is dummy for now. In this concept level, it's dummy. Okay, it is only used to attach it and then trigger it from scripts. Okay, but generally, events is very powerful topic. Service now, every action, any action, system will consider as an event and then queue it and then run it. Okay. Anything you do in ServiceNow, even if you just create one record also, that will be treated as an event in the back end. And then it will queue and then it will done. You don't see the time gaps, time things and all. Okay. But every action system will treat as an event. Okay. That existing behavior we are using by creating a manual event and then you are forcing that event triggering from a script. And that event is attached to a notification, so you are making use of that event and you are triggering the notification whenever wherever you want it. This is the concept of notification. Is that clear? And now keeping this particular out sketch, if you just go through basic and you just see this one, it will be more than clearer. It's like a crystal clear. Fine, ma? Will it help for your
Yes.
requirements?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.